Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 713, that is subarray product less than k, and in this we'll be given an array of integer nums and an integer k, and we have to return the number of contiguous arrays, subarrays where the product of all the elements in the subarray is strictly less than k. Okay, so for example, we are given nums equal to 10, 5, 2 and 6, and we are given k as 100. So there are 8 possible subarrays that are having product less than 100. Okay, and just consider this thing that we are having the product should be less than k, not even less than equal to. Okay, for example 10, 5, 2, 6, and then 10, 5, 5, 2, 2, 6, and 5 to 6 are all the possible subarrays which are having the product less than k. Okay, so for this what we'll be doing, we'll be using a sliding window. So let's have some of the variables that is long. We'll be taking it for product, that let's initialize it with 1, whereas y is 2 pointer left equal to 0, my right will be also equal to 0, and the total number of subarrays will be also currently equal to 0. So now while right is less than the nums dot length, I'll be multiplying my nums right into the product equal to nums right. Then what I'll be checking is that while my as it is a subarray, so my left should be less than or equal to right, and I'll be checking that while my okay, so int of product should be greater than or equal to k. Okay, so what I'll be doing, I'll be dividing it from the nums left, and I'll be increasing the left pointer, and at the end of this what I'll be doing is outside of the while loop I'll be updating my answer, that will be equal to right minus left plus 1, because these will be the total number of subarrays which are possible in this particular range, and at the end I'll just return answer. So now let's run it. Okay, so I guess, oh okay, so oh okay, right plus plus. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.